Welcome back to the Clean My Space channel. My name is Melissa Maker. I am an accidental cleaning expert, and I also love making my own cleaning products. Not all of the cleaning products, you can't replace everything, but you can replace a lot, and in doing that, you can save a lot of money. So let me show you how to do that. And while we're doing that, we can make our home smell great too. So what I've done is I've gone into our ebook called 50 DIY Cleaners. I've got a link to it down below. I'm gonna pull out 3 of the recipes that are obviously easy to make, that will save you money, and also have the biggest impact on how wonderful your home can smell. We'll start off by making a product that I can safely say I use every day, which is why I called it the Everyday Countertop Cleaner. So the reason this is such a great product to DIY is because you don't need much to clean your countertops, just frankly nothing more than soap and water. I've never understood why someone would go out and spend money on a fancy countertop cleaner or even on an everyday multi-surface spray when you could quite literally make your own for pennies. In a clean spray bottle, you'll add 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of dish soap, and 10 drops of your favorite essential oils or a mix of essential oils. A scent combination I love for kitchen counters is any combination of citrus. I've chosen grapefruit and lime, but you could do lemon lime, tangerine, orange, bergamot. There are so many members of the citrus family, some crazier than others, that you can mix in and have some fun with. Either way, citrus is bright and uplifting and the perfect choice for a kitchen. To use this, give it a little shake, spray the area you want to clean liberally, let the product sit for a minute or 2 so that the soapy water can do its work, and then with a microfiber cloth, you're going to use the S pattern to clean the surface. This is safe for pretty much every countertop I've ever encountered, no pun intended, but do me a favor and check out the video we have linked down below all about how to clean your countertops properly. Different materials require different things, but this is one that I would say is safe for the majority of countertop surfaces out there. One of the largest surfaces in your home would be your floors. That's why when you make your own floor cleaner, you can really impact the way your home smells. And you can also save a lot of money by making your own. That said, it's important to know the type of floors you have and how to treat them specifically. And in that case, I have a video for you. I've linked it down below. We created it to review how each different type of hard floor surface has to be cleaned, and we have some associated recipes with that. That said, a good general floor cleaner recipe consists of the following. 1 1/2 cups of water. If you're using a bucket, make it warm. 1/4 cup of white vinegar. 1/8 cup of rubbing alcohol. 2 drops of dish soap, which is about 1/8 teaspoon. 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oils. In terms of my favorite scent combination for the floor, quite frankly, just about nothing makes me happier than being at a spa, which is why I love using a combination of lavender essential oils and eucalyptus essential oils. I will just mix the 2 and oh my gosh, my house smells spa-like. Now, you can either make this up in a bucket and use it with a string or microfiber twist mop, or you can use it in a spray bottle and use it with a flathead microfiber mop, which is what I'm doing here. Here's another high impact space, glass and mirrors. Whether you're in a small space like a bathroom or a large space like a living room that has a lot of windows and perhaps some decorative mirrors, you're probably going through quite a bit of glass cleaner. And in my personal opinion, I happen to think the blue store-bought glass cleaner reeks. So frankly, anything is better than, okay, not anything, but a lot of things are better than that. So my DIY cleaner involves 2 very simple, easy, and readily available products. You're gonna mix this up in a clean spray bottle, and quite simply, it's 1 cup of water and 1 cup of white vinegar. To that, you're going to add 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Now, some people freak out when they hear adding oil to water and cleaning glass, but I promise you, the droplets in the essential oil are so tiny, you're not gonna get oil streaks. And by the way, if you're using a flat weave microfiber cloth, which is like the best way to clean windows, glass, mirrors, etc., you won't see any streaks anyway. My primo choice for cleaning glass, windows, and mirrors is peppermint. I don't know why, it always has been It's very refreshing, very uplifting, and it's minty. If you want to learn more about essential oils, I am very passionate about them, and we've written an ebook all about essential oils, how you can use them around your home, for yourself, for cleaning, etc. We've got lots of different recipes and scent combinations, so you can check that ebook out. I've linked it for you down below. And the same thing goes for our 50 DIY cleaners ebook. Got that link down there for you as well. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, what is your hot take on DIY cleaners? Are you for it? Are you against it? Have you tried it? What's your favorite recipe? Let me know your take in the comments down below. For me, before I got into the cleaning world in 2006, I really could not care less for DIY cleaners because I didn't know better. But then once I started to learn about it and I started to test, to compare, and also track my expenses, I noticed how much money I was saving by making my own products. Now, you can't make all of your own cleaning products. I mean, if you're off the grid and you're repurposing corn oil and pig manure, sure, maybe you can. But for me, I generally like to buy 40% or so store-bought products and make 60% myself. Let me know your thoughts. Since you most definitely have a floor in your home, I will highly recommend that you check out this video, which is how to clean your floors properly. If you want to support the Clean My Space channel, you can do so by subscribing and also by checking out Makers Clean, which is where we sell all of our premium cleaning tools, some of which you saw me use today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.